Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to study discrete output module of PLC. We know that a discrete output or digital output has only two levels, that is either on or off. Therefore, discrete output module is used to either on or off an output devices. Solenoid valves, contactor coils, lamps are the examples of devices which are connected to discrete output module. The example given below shows that a lamp can be turned on or off by the PLC with the help of digital output module. It means if output of digital output module is high, a lamp is connected to the power supply, and if output of digital output module is low, then a lamp is disconnected from the power supply. Now let's see the block diagram of typical output module of PLC. We had already studied that as per the data given by input field devices, PLC executes the program and stores the status of output terminal to the output status file. For every output terminal, a 1-bit location is reserved in the memory location to store the status of output terminal. As per the status of output terminal, which is stored in output status file, CPU sends low voltage signal to the latching circuit. If status of output terminal is 1, then latching circuit will latch that logic signal as a on-state signal. If status of output terminal is 0, then latching circuit will latch that logic signal as a off-state signal. A latched on-state or off-state signal is then sent to the optical isolation circuit. Optical isolation circuit provides isolation between low voltage signal of CPU and high voltage field devices. Output of optical isolation circuit is then given to the triac switching circuitry. Triac is a high power switching device used to connect or disconnect a high voltage signal to the output field devices. Triacs are switched on or off by the signal from optical isolation circuit. After this, AC signals switched by triac are then filtered to a safe level by a filtering circuit. To indicate the status of output, LED is provided on the output module. In some output modules, a fuse is provided to protect the circuit from drawing higher current. Control devices are nothing but output field devices which operates on different voltages. When the status of output terminal in output data table is 1, then control device turns on, and when status of output terminal is 0, then control device turns off. This is the block diagram of discrete DC output module. The only difference between AC and DC output module is that instead of triac switching circuit, a power transistor is used for the switching action. This is the internal circuit diagram of discrete AC output module. In this diagram, a triac is used as a switching device and a lamp is used as a control device. If status of output terminal is 1, then latch logic circuit sends a on-state signal to the triac through optical isolation circuit. For on-state signal, triac acts as a closed switch and connects AC power to the lamp. Therefore, lamp will turn on. Similarly, if status of output terminal from the CPU is 0, then latch logic circuit will send off-state signal to the triac through the optical isolator circuit. For off-state signals, triac acts as an open switch and disconnects AC power supply from the lamp. Therefore, lamp will get turned off. In this way, control devices are turned on or off by using output modules.